Are you fed up with bananas being the only fruit associated with potassium? Get ready for a delicious surprise. Potassium is vital for regulating blood pressure, balancing fluids, and ensuring your muscles function smoothly. Today, we're diving into some incredible potassium-rich foods, and not a banana in sight. 1. Spinach. Kicking things off with leafy greens, spinach takes the crown. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach delivers a whopping 12% of your daily potassium needs. It's also loaded with iron, vitamin K, and antioxidants, making it a true nutritional superstar. 2. Salmon. Next up, we have salmon. This tasty fish is not only rich in potassium, but also packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. A 6-ounce serving gives you 21% of your daily potassium. 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is another potassium powerhouse. A 6-ounce serving of plain low-fat yogurt provides 12% of your daily potassium. Plus, it's full of calcium and probiotics. Enjoy a yogurt parfait topped with fresh fruits for a delightful breakfast or snack. 4. Avocado. Avocados are next. 1 medium avocado has an impressive 18% of the daily value for potassium. These creamy fruits are also packed with heart-healthy fats and fiber. 5. Sweet potatoes. Rounding out the first 5, we have sweet potatoes. 1 medium sweet potato contains about 15% of your daily potassium. They're also rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. 6. Apricots. Let's brighten things up with apricots. 1 cup of fresh apricot halves delivers around 22% of your daily potassium. They're also rich in vitamin A and antioxidants. Snack on them fresh or try dried apricots for a convenient treat. Ready to incorporate these nutrient-packed delights into your meals? Share your favorites in the comments, and if you enjoyed this journey, subscribe and give the video a thumbs up.